And this is Brianna. And we're going to show you how to make Play-Doh slime. Yeah. So all you need is food colouring. I'm using pink. And I'm using red. Water, and you need flour. 3.5 cups. And you got flour. And you need flour. And you need 1 spoon and 1 bowl. So now let's get started. Yeah. One more spoon. And oh yeah, we're going to tell you in our next kind of video that we'll show you our other slime because it's just we like beating it doing it with flour on. So if they get actually sticky, if you've got any more flour left, you can if it's sticky, you sprinkle flour on it. Yeah. So I'm going to have a look at it. Okay, I think I need food colouring. Me too. Not enough. Oh, this is so good. So good. Oh my god. Okay, now you just stir it up. One time I made slime, I did this. I got food colouring all over my hands. Oh yeah. And I got a little bit on my hands, on my fingers. Now it's like doing it now. Yeah. And I got green. Okay, so here is a little bit of my slime. I think I need to add a little bit more flour. Oh, look at that weird there. So cool. And then mix it up, really, so it will turn up the same colour. This is like really sticky. I need to make it nice and stick it down. And oh yeah, you need a container. Oh yeah, I need a container.
Go.
So this is how we make the slime, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! And I need to keep on making it. Bye! And it's like raining and thunder lightning outside. Yeah. So it actually as well. I was scared, but it stopped crashing. Okay. Bye!